everyone. So today I'm going to be showing you how to get this look I have on right here. This look is using Megan Thee Stallion, Hot Girl Meg's favorite Revlon product. She was just named Revlon's global brand ambassador, and I'm just a huge fan of her. So once I heard about this, I thought this was like a great move for Revlon and a great move for her. She did a interview with Allure magazine where she named some of her favorite Revlon products. So I decided to create a look semi-inspired by her makeup looks using her favorite Revlon products. I mean, it's kind of hard for me to get a Meg look, a cut crease with hooded eyes, but I try my best, and it's just inspired by her using her favorite products. So if you want to see more, keep watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. So I'm just gonna be a little close today, doing my makeup, you know, just a little close. But just bear with me as I try to get my setup and everything together, because I'm still trying to figure out the lighting and set up how close I am to the camera, how far away I am, backdrops and stuff like that, lenses, focusing. So please bear with me as I continue to experiment with each video. But yeah, for this I'm just going to be pretty up close, and I'm just going to do my foundation real quickly. We're just going to prime these like really oily areas. Yeah, so I'm just gonna start with putting my foundation on real quickly. See, I'm working with this focus. I really am, because it goes in and out. But yeah, I'm just gonna start with my foundation, and before I get into the products that Meg mentioned in the article. But yeah, I'm just really excited to see that they chose her as an ambassador, because she is like, she's amazing. I love like who she is and what she stands for, because like she just moves with so much confidence, and I just think that's amazing. Like, she has so much confidence and just positivity, you know, like when you see her posts, when you see her videos, when it's just like such a positive energy. So I really like her. Like, she's Hot Girl Meg. But yeah, so I was excited to see that she was named the global ambassador for Revlon. And also, when I was trying to find the products that she mentioned in her Allure article, it was kind of hard to find a drugstore that had all of the Revlon products that she mentioned. And I realized like Revlon doesn't, I don't know, they don't have the same like stock as like CoverGirl and stuff, and they're like partnered with Almay, and those are two brands that have like limited things in different stores. Like, I found the most in Walgreens, but CVS like had no ColorStay stuff. Like, where else did I go? I don't know. I went to several different places, and they just didn't have like the specific product she was talking about. And I just think that, I don't know, this is probably a really good move for Revlon, because no shade, but like, who was the last Revlon global ambassador? I don't know. You know, I don't know who they are, but also she's like just everything right now. So I feel like this will really elevate their brand. And I hope that she's not just like the spokesperson for the products that they already have. I hope that she, like, there's something that's like a Meg product from Revlon. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, so I went and purchased 3 of the items that she mentioned in the article. I'll get to them when I get to the eyes, because they're all eye products. And then there's a lip gloss, because you know, Megan always has those glossy lips. So yeah. Okay, I'm back with pretty much my base pretty much complete. I'm just gonna have to add like some highlight and lips and stuff like that. But yeah, so we're gonna get into these eyes. I already primed them with some concealer, and so I'm just gonna set them with a little powder, because all my stuff creases so much, my eyeshadow, so I have oily eyelids, so we're just gonna set that with some powder. It's hard for me to talk and do my makeup at the same time. That's why I like voiceovers. I can just do it and then do voiceover. But yeah, I'm gonna do a mixture of both. But yeah, so just putting some loose powder on there. So the first product that Megan talked about was like when Allura asked her what was her favorite Revlon products. The one thing that she mentioned is this Revlon ColorStay eyeshadow palette, and so I just got the original color, but they have like purples and magentas and stuff like that, just different sets of them. But one thing she said she really liked about this is it's the size of a credit card, and it's just easy to like travel with and go with, so she can touch up her eyeshadow whenever she wants to. And I was like, oh, that's cool. And when I went to get it, it is actually so tiny, so it is perfect for travel. It really is. I'm trying to get this open, but the colors, oh gosh, I hope this doesn't like wash out. These all look white. They do, but let me back it up. I don't know if you can see, but the colors are so pretty. So I'm excited to try these. The other product she mentioned was their ColorStay liquid eye pen. And you can never have just like too many, you know, eyeliners on deck because they will dry out. Some of them just like don't apply always the same. So I was excited to try this out too. And then she talks about lip gloss, which I'll get to later. So those are the products that she mentioned. So I'm just going to be trying to create an eye look with this palette. The thing is, like, Megan always has a cut crease, you know what I'm saying? And with these hooded eyes, cut creases don't really work out that well. They really don't. But we're gonna try because we need to channel our inner Megan. So I'm just gonna start with this gray taupe-like color in my corner and just, you know, blend that in the crease a little bit. Just building that darker and darker. And moving that up a little bit higher out of the hood. And then I'm gonna take this brush and just blend that out so it's not as harsh. It has a little bit of brown on it too. Like a good brown shade helps melt everything together. I probably should have put a little bit on as a transition before I started putting the gray, but now it's all melted in, so it's okay. I'm gonna go back. This is gonna be a little smoky. And just put a little more of that in there. Yeah, we're giving smoke. I haven't worn a gray eyeshadow in a while. And then just blend this a little bit more. So now let's move on to the cut crease. So I'm going to take this brush I've been using with concealer. It has a little bit of concealer on it, but I'm going to cut my crease with this NYX multitasker. This is like Max Mixing Medium, is that what it is? But it just helps the shadows pop a little better, and it also helps them stay in place. So when you have like hooded eyes, it helps them stay on there and not transfer. Like if you just put the color where this mixing medium is, it won't transfer. So the idea for me is to cut the crease with the mixing medium and try not to look up so that it gets on the skin up here. Oh, and I looked up. So we're gonna have to make this a little higher. But I only looked up because I was trying to see if I was in focus. I don't know if you would consider this a cut crease, but I know that Megan's eyelids be shining. So the goal here is to at least have some super metallic eyelids. You feel me? Okay. I think I got a crisp line here. You're just not gonna be able to see it when I close my eyes. But it's there. I'm gonna try that on just a little bit. Listen, I might have did something. Listen. I'm getting the vibe. I'm getting the Megan vibe, okay? We got the shiny lid. We tried to cut the crease. I'm getting the vibe. I really like this palette though, I really do. It's really nice. Its pigment is really good. Okay, so we have that. I'm just gonna go in with a little more gray of that gray and put a little more into my crease right there. Alright, and then I'm gonna take this brush and just blend, 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 blend. So now we're gonna use this eyeliner that she said she likes. She said that this eyeliner, like, she can perform in it and then she can go out in it and it's lasting the whole night. So I hope that's the case. I'm just gonna try to give myself a little wing because she usually has some kind of wing going on. So we're gonna try to do that. You know, we gotta keep the wing thin because we can't take away from the fact that we just cut the crease, you know what I'm saying? I will say it's super pigmented. Like, a lot of eyeliners, liquid eyeliners, when you put them over a shimmery eyeshadow, they just start picking up the eyeshadow and it's like, I just need a crisp black line. I don't need it to be mixed with my eyeshadow. So that's not really doing that for me. Like, it's not mixing with the shimmery eyeshadow, so that's already a plus for me. I ain't saying I'm the best at my wings, okay? It's definitely bold. Like, it stands out. I like this eyeliner a lot. It doesn't blend in with your eyeshadow. It's very pigmented. It stays like there. I like that. I'm gonna put some of that shadow under my eye and add some mascara. So I cleaned it up and put some mascara on. I don't really wear falsies that much. I know I should put some on because it's a Meg video, but it's just not my vibe. I usually just use my natural lashes. That's what I do. I put two different shades on there. So I put this one and that one in the inner corner. So I'm gonna do the other eye and I'll be right back. So I finished the other eye off camera. added mascara, all that. And I also put a little bit of black liner on my waterline because this look is using her favorite Revlon products, but also like the look is kind of inspired by her, even though I know her eyes are more complex than what I'm giving y'all right now. But I do know that she wears a lot of black liner on her waterline, so I just popped that in there. So now I'm going to move on to lips. She said her favorite lip product from Revlon is the Super Lustrous The Gloss, and she said in the color Crystal Clear, so just a clear gloss. So I picked that up, but I'm gonna line my lips first because I feel like that'll look better. So I'm gonna line with just this NYX pencil. Alright, just line that up a little bit. Okay, here we go. She says she likes it because it's not super sticky and it lasts a long time. And we all know she stays with the glossy lips, so I gotta really load it up here. Like I can't be shy with it, you know what I'm saying? Like I gotta load it up. Some gloss on with some brown lip liner. It's really just like enhancing my natural lip color. It doesn't look like too drastic, which I think is good because we got a lot of, you know, metallic and stuff going on with the eyes, so we don't want a ton of color and stuff on the lip. But I do really love this gloss. So yeah, here's the final look.